Exploring the geography and climate of South America. South America, a continent teeming with life, history, and breathtaking landscapes, is a treasure trove of natural wonders. From towering mountain ranges to expansive rainforests, the continent offers a rich tapestry of geographical features and climate zones. This documentary invites you on a journey to explore the Grand Andes Mountains, the vast Amazon rainforest and river, and the diverse climate zones that make South America uniquely vibrant. The Andes Mountains stretch over 7,000 kilometers along the western edge of South America, providing a dramatic backbone to the continent. Known as the world's longest mountain range, the Andes hold a significant place in both geographical and cultural terms. These colossal peaks are not only a physical barrier, but also a source of life and biodiversity. With numerous geological features, including volcanoes and glaciers, the Andes are a spectacle of nature's power and beauty. The mountains are a hub for ecological diversity, supporting distinct habitats that thrive in the varied altitudinal zones. From lush valleys to rugged terrains, each altitude band hosts unique communities of plants and animals that have adapted to specific conditions. Human cultures have flourished here for thousands of years. Indigenous communities live in harmony with the landscape, maintaining traditional practices rich in cultural heritage. Their relationship with the Andes is profound, relying on the mountains for resources, spiritual guidance, and cultural identity. The biodiversity in the Andes is as vast as the mountain range itself. The changing altitude creates microclimates that support an extraordinary range of flora and fauna. Above the tree line, shrubs, grasses, and colorful flowers, such as the iconic Puya Raimondi, can be found. The cloud forests, shrouded in mist, host a myriad of bird species, many of which are endemic to the region. Animals, too, have adapted to these heights. The Andean condor majestically soars above, while llamas and alpacas graze on sparse vegetation. These ecosystems have developed intricate relationships, demonstrating the resilience and adaptability of life. The weather in the Andes further influences these ecosystems. Dramatic weather patterns, including heavy rainfall and sudden temperature shifts, challenge the inhabitants yet also contribute to the area's rich biodiversity. Spanning 9 countries, the Amazon rainforest is the heart and lungs of the planet. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, unmatched in its size and ecological variety. The dense canopy, towering trees, and myriad life forms present a scene of unparalleled beauty and complexity. The Amazon is vital for Earth's climate regulation, producing significant amounts of oxygen while absorbing carbon dioxide. This dynamic ecosystem is fundamental not only to the world's atmospheric balance, but also to its biodiversity. The Amazon River, with its vast watershed, is the lifeblood of this lush region. Stretching over 6,400 kilometers, it courses through the rainforest, nourishing varied ecosystems and human communities alike. The river is home to an astonishing array of life, including the elusive pink river dolphins, massive fish species, and countless aquatic plants. Throughout history, the Amazon River has been both a lifeline and a mystery. Its intricate flow patterns and annual flooding cycles support the biodiversity for which the region is famous. The river is also integral to the cultures that have settled along its banks, providing resources, transportation, and spiritual sustenance. The immense biodiversity found within the Amazon rainforest is staggering, hosting millions of species, many of which remain undiscovered. From jaguars and sloths to anacondas and toucans, the complex interwoven lives of its inhabitants play out amidst an astonishing variety of trees and plants. This biodiversity is critical not only for the ecosystem's balance, but also for global ecological health. The rainforest acts as a genetic reservoir, offering hints to biologists and ecologists about the history of life on Earth. However, this natural bounty is increasingly under threat from human activity, making conservation efforts more crucial than ever. The Amazon is defined by its tropical climate, characterized by heavy rainfall and consistently warm temperatures. This weather supports the luxuriant vegetation and deeply influences the life cycles within the rainforest. The interplay between heavy rains and abundant sunlight allows the dense canopy to sustain a rich and diverse biota. Climate impacts are particularly notable during the wet and dry seasons, each bringing changes to the landscape and influencing the activities of the flora and fauna found there. Understanding these cycles is key to appreciating how life has adapted in one of the world's most vibrant environments. People have lived in the Andes and Amazon for millennia, building civilizations and cultures deeply connected to the land. Indigenous tribes of the Amazon practice sustainable living, using the forest's resources respectfully. Traditions, knowledge, and stories passed down through generations continue to thrive, offering profound insights into living symbiotically with nature. In the Andes, ancient architectural wonders such as Machu Picchu echo the remarkable adaptation of the Incan Empire. Public celebrations, spiritual rites, and agricultural cycles all revolve around the deep symbiosis between nature and culture in these areas. South America's climate diversity is as varied as its geography. From the arid deserts of northern Chile to Brazil's wet tropical zones and the temperate climates of Argentina, the continent features a remarkable range of weather patterns that shape its various ecosystems. Each climate zone defines the local ecology, offering conditions that support distinct species. These zones are pivotal in creating the continent's rich mosaic of life, adapting cultures and influencing economic activities such as agriculture. Climate shapes the very landscape of South America, sculpting its environment and affecting living conditions. Rainfall patterns define regions like the Pampas and Llanos, supporting vast grasslands essential for agricultural and pastoral activities. In the mountains and deserts, climate directly influences terrain and availability of water resources. From the glaciers of Patagonia to the rainforests of the Amazon, South America's varied climate provides diverse ecological niches that support an astonishing array of life. The continent showcases Mother Nature's multiplicity, where climate and geography unite to create one of Earth's most biodiverse regions. The Atacama Desert stands as one of the driest places on Earth. Surprisingly, life thrives in these harsh conditions. Specialized plants, resilient insects, and adaptive animals showcase nature's ability to endure extremes. The desert's austere beauty and rugged landscapes also offer opportunities for scientific exploration and understanding of climate adaptation. The cultural influences in these arid regions are profound, with native communities developing unique customs and agricultural techniques over centuries to survive the scarcity of water and opportunities presented by this unique environment. The tropical climate zones in South America support lush forests and fertile lands that play significant roles in global agriculture. These regions flourish with cocoa, coffee, bananas, and sugarcane plantations. The cycle of wet and dry seasons influences farming activities and impacts the livelihoods of countless communities. Within this verdant setting, diverse wildlife thrives, including numerous bird, insect, and mammal species. These tropical areas are dynamic environments, contributing immensely to biodiversity, conservation, and the pressure from human expansion. South America also harbors regions with temperate climates, notably in Argentina and parts of Chile. These areas serve as vital agricultural belts, showing the continent's vast capacity for diverse agricultural products. The temperate zones are characterized by moderate temperatures and varying precipitation, allowing vineyards to flourish and supporting unique animal life. They act as a bridge, connecting arid regions with the lush tropics, and represent an essential component of South America's ecological framework. South America experiences significant weather phenomena like El Niño and La Niña, which bring dramatic changes in climate patterns. El Niño often causes increased rainfall and flooding in some areas while inducing droughts in others. La Niña, conversely, tends to have the opposite effects. These cycles affect the lives of thousands, influencing agriculture, fisheries, and ecosystems. Understanding their impact helps foster better preparedness and adaptability strategies for coping with climatic variations across the continent. Despite its natural wonders, South America faces critical environmental challenges. Deforestation, climate change, and habitat destruction threaten the Amazon's biodiversity. Many parts of the Andes face similar struggles, from mining impacts to pollution. It is vital to balance conservation with sustainable development strategies. Initiatives aiming to protect environments while promoting responsible usage are spearheading efforts to secure South America's ecological future. Raising awareness and engaging local communities are key to the success of these endeavors. Ecotourism has emerged as both a challenge and an opportunity for South America. It offers economic benefits and raises awareness of conservation, yet also risks disturbing fragile ecosystems and cultural sites. Embracing sustainable tourism helps to minimize negative impacts, offering travelers enriching experiences while preserving natural and cultural heritage. It invites a global audience to engage with the continent's incomparable wonders responsibly. South America is a focal point for scientific research, particularly in ecology, biology, and climate science. New species added to the world's biodiversity tabular regularly highlight the vibrant ecosystems of the Amazon and Andes. Research is crucial for developing strategies that address the challenges of climate change, deforestation, and species protection. Collaboration between international researchers and local experts has fostered significant discoveries, enhancing understanding and appreciation of the complex relationships between organisms and environments in this region. As an invaluable reservoir of biodiversity and culture, South America faces both opportunities and considerable challenges ahead. Protecting these environments requires a commitment to sustainable practices, policy changes, and global cooperation. Future landscapes may be shaped significantly by choices made today. Balancing human needs with nature's capacity is crucial to achieving a harmonious existence. South America's stewardship opportunities will set an example for the rest of the world as it advances towards sustainable development goals. With its astounding geographical features, climatic diversity, and ecological wealth, South America remains a symbol of nature's grandeur. Its wonders encapsulate the resilience of life and the delicate balance that sustains it. This journey through the Andes, Amazon, and the continent's diverse climate zones has uncovered not only the continent's beauty, but also its fragility. As global voices unite to protect these treasures, South America's story of wonder and survival continues to inspire. By cherishing what Mother Earth provides, humanity can hope to secure these natural wonders for future generations to marvel at and appreciate, ensuring that South America remains a beacon of life on an ever-evolving planet.